everyone, welcome back. So today we have another review video, and this is to review one of my all about month of May item that I show you guys. Sinron belt pouch. Now I don't really know what the name they call. I purchased from Saks Fifth and they call wallet, and but on the official Sinron website they call belt pouch. So whenever they call, this is the item. So before we're going to review this item, let's get the measurement first. This one, the size from here to here is 7.8, from here to here is 4.7, and the deeper is 0.4 inch. I'm very confused now. I thought I bought the small size, but when I compare the measurement, I use the ruler to measure it. It is 7.8, which is the, I don't know, it's 395, but I got it from Saks is 350. That's the reason when I went to Saks, I was confused about the website price and the in-store price. The SA said they don't know anything about it. They know this one is 350. So now I'm totally confused. So you guys, if you really wanted to buy, go to the store to find out, because they do have a size, small size. The small size they call small belt pouch, and this size they call belt pouch. So they do have a different name. So this is the one I got it from Saks, 350, and if you check the website, you will see this is 395. Maybe I can show you. So this is the one. If you can see the size, I don't know if I can. I don't know where contact lens, so I don't see myself at all. Okay, so I had the burgundy with the gold hardware. This leather is like a pepper leather, very durable. Even though you scratch, you cannot see it. It has the pocket outside. Outside had the one pocket, and the inside is the one pocket compartment, and the back there have another small pocket, so you can slip the credit card or something. This one is made in Italy. Back there doesn't have any additional pocket. So for this one, I can fit the iPhone 7 Plus. My iPhone 7 Plus. Now you can actually put phone right there. So it's like that. So now you can also use this pocket to put your bill or put your credit card. Doesn't matter how you're gonna put it. This is the best part. I love this pouch. You can be used as a clutch. So I'm gonna show you how I use this pouch. Here is the Chanel old case. I put the cash, and I also put it like 7 credit card. I also have the house key. So I can slip in without any problem. Can put it there. Because this is a pretty flat, I don't want to put too many 6 key holder or something. It will make very bulky. So I put it, everything there, and I zip up. Then put the cell phone outside. Go like that. Coming like this one. So a little bit out of shape. So this is basically everything inside. I can just grab it and go. One thing you need to keep in mind, once you put the cell phone right here, you do feel stiff right there because of the cell phone. But normally, always take out the cell phone, then open the pouch, right? So the other way you can do is using the card holder, which is a lot less than this space. So you use this one as put the cash, put the card. So I'm gonna show you guys. Use a card holder, then I use whenever the key I put it inside, and the coin also put it inside, slide in and close like that. So this is the feature. Lipstick there on the top like that, and close like that. Or some people put the dollar bill here. They don't use any card holder, or just direct put everything inside the car, because they do have the compartment and they do have the pocket back there, so you just put a card there. You just put it whenever the whole thing. You just put it the cash also back there. You can put the iPhone inside the pocket. Close, perfect. And here you can put some other stuff like a receipt or anything. So this is the best way you use. So you put the cell phone inside, and the back there you have a credit card and cash. And you can put some key, like when you put the house key. So close, perfect, right? So you have to keep in mind, you know, this one is 350. This one is 275. So $80 more, you can buy a wallet pouch, bill pouch, and it's more versatile than this one, definitely. So for me, it definitely is a good purchase. Worth to buy, and I do love it. That's why I have the black as well. I really love this one, you know, for the price point and for the versatility. This one is definitely worth to purchase. So you can, but only the size part you really need to check, because they do have the small one, small size, which I never really see at 6.8 inch. So I haven't really seen that one. It's still confusing about the price and the size. This is really crazy. That's it. That's all about this pouch. Hopefully this review is really helpful. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. So that's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.